Nasengana Chisemi murai wense William Ruto no murai we Chisemi Julius Migosi nigo baikirana hase umuyaga wentunde ya gatano yokubekero guto kwa Borokube University ya uzima ekaunti ya Kisumu asibagendereire kwegera Emeroberio ya Chisemi na kwa Emeroberio hebekire heligo cyakone kya Borokiwa abo barase cy'isukuru cy'ububundi hamwe n'icyo university nkonyara bare ogosiro kuru ase serikali heli kwegenderera ase Chisemi cyabo wego nigo bakwanire igoro yeganga yokurikia Borokiwa bonsi begire digikomi aseba tebire okubwaterana hegati y'abarimu abayibori na bega serikali akira cyakone kya ogwikirania kwa yonsi.
This institution's emphasis on the competency-based education, community-focused research, and service delivery has prepared you for the realities of healthcare in our region. The partnerships that Uzima has forged with Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital in Kisumu, the Kisumu County Referral Hospital, the Aga Khan Hospital in Kisumu, and international collaborators have enriched your training and broadened your perspectives. These linkages ensured that your learning was anchored in clinical excellence and responsive to local health needs. As you step into professional practice, you do so at a pivotal moment to our nation's health sector. Under the leadership of His Excellency the President, Kenya is undertaking bold reforms to re-engineer our health system, strengthening infrastructure, expanding access, and investing in the health workforce. Directive, we have been able to move our admissions from 92% last week to 98% yesterday, and we intend to move to the 100% transition policy as provided in our government policies by the end of today. I want to take this opportunity to urge all the principals to admit the students that are remaining, and we've also instructed our field officers to collect the data of all these students so that we can be able to do what is necessary to ensure that our mandate under Article 53 of the Constitution is done. To be patient as the ministry and the government works for a solution to ensure that our children will never again be denied education because of uniforms or lunch money or any other levies that are not provided for by government.